all love each other. Just from the top, baby. Oh man. Yeah, this feels good.
Got the windows rolled up, riding down the boulevard clean. Young boy following his dreams. I've been making big plays. Big plays, big plays. Motherfucker hater if he try to switch ways. We got liquor in the trunk and a little more smoke. Take our minds of being broke. We've been making big plays. Big plays, big plays. Motherfucker hater if he try to switch ways.
Big plays, big plays. Money keep calling, I just don't know which way.
I'm pulling through your city on some God shit. Making plays like Brady in the pocket. I'm like, hold up, what the fuck to hold up? We ain't going anywhere till marijuana rolled up. Only one who don't smoke, but shit, it's all money with me. You try too hard, you high, funny to me. I think the hard work been working, cause all the non-believers quit chirping. If you ain't fucking with it, then you probably lack taste. But I get your ass laughed while you sit in last place. I've been dotting I's and I'm quick to cross T's while plotting on these G's stacked for my family. You know I stay sharp, so you know the shit's proper. Rolling 4 deep in the 06 miles.
Got the windows rolled up, riding down the boulevard clean. Young boy following his dreams. I've been making big plays. Big plays, big plays. Motherfucker hater if he try to switch ways. We got liquor in the trunk and a little more smoke. Take our minds of being broke. We've been making big plays. Big plays, big plays. Motherfucker hater if he try to switch ways.
Hey yo, you Tom Hanks big. That's why I look around, all these grown men acting like kids. Put the brakes on if she act childish. Tryna say she cute and that attitude stylish. Drive my ass crazy, racking up the mileage. Falling for that trap, nah, I ain't really buying it. Look, everything you did, I done did it before. I settled the score, why? Cause I settle for more. I'm like, stop, oh wait a minute, I know. Grind never stop, rain, sleet, hail, snow. Stop, whoa, wait a minute, I know. When the music pops, she gon' drop that ass low. Now I ain't with the bottle in the club type. I'm in the studio, making sure it's just right. Staying sharp, so you know the shit's proper. Rolling 4 deep in the 06 miles.
Got the windows rolled up, riding down the boulevard clean. Young boy following his dreams. I've been making big plays. Big plays, big plays. Motherfucker hater if he try to switch ways. We got liquor in the trunk and a little more smoke. Take our minds of being broke. We've been making big plays. Big plays, big plays. Motherfucker hater if he try to switch ways.
Big plays, big plays. Money keep calling, I just don't know which way. I just don't know which way. Money keep calling, I just don't know which
Look, why is everything on the screen leave me bothered? And why the fuck these kids drink lean like it's water? How you gonna say you pop pills for the thrills while you watching heroin take some by the daughter? Man, what happened to the grind? Instead of getting lucky quick. And why these little girls dressing like they 26? How this many people voting Trump? What the fuck? Car dead, who I gotta call to get a jump? Why these people all laugh when I said I'm gonna be a musician? And how we letting colleges rob these kids on tuition? And if I'm broke, where I go just to see a physician? Instead of hope, why these people just see it as bitchin'? I don't really know, I ain't got an answer. I just rap on beats, people really beat cancer. Trying to get a handle, I've been mentoring myself. Got me second guessing, always questioning myself. Like, why isn't I hot yet? Why haven't I stopped yet? Why ain't these states all legalized pot yet? Why is it a black thing? Why is it a white thing? How hard is it just to go and do the right thing? Fuck's sake, dog, go and hate from your computer screen instead of actually fucking doing things. I'm going for it. I don't really do punts, rappers don't like me. Is it cause I'm too blunt? Is it cause I'm too busy trying to do what you want? Is it cause I'm grinding cause I'm sick of using coupons? I don't really know, I don't have an answer. Ask me where I'm from, I'ma tell you New Hampshire. And it's backwards like that, paving the hammer. And your closed-minded thoughts all resemble a hamster. You just stuck inside the circle, stuck with your